Hey, do you actually use this page that pops up when you swipe left on your screen? Like this screen, this news page. So it's called Samsung Free or Google Discover, right? So if your answer is no, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to remove or re-enable it. So no matter what Android phone you're using, from Samsung to Infinix, Tecno, Xiaomi, or OnePlus. So let's make your home screen cleaner, faster, and more you. Alright, so you're gonna start by long pressing anywhere there is no app or widget on your home screen. So if I tap and hold like this, and now you swipe all the way to the left, this is where you find the Google Discover or Samsung Free or both, some depending on your device, right? So now you're gonna on Samsung Galaxy, this is S25 Ultra. You will see a toggle. This you toggle this on and off. So it will be labeled Google Discover or Samsung Free. So switch it on and off to remove it. So if you want to switch between them, I mean, I don't have the option, but yeah, that okay. I only have Google Discover. So on Tecno and Infinix, you may see zero board or smart assistant. Tap the settings icon or use the toggle to enable it. If you don't see an option, check your launcher settings. For OnePlus and Xiaomi and Realme phones, this usually shows Google Discover. So you go to your launcher settings, you get there usually by long pressing, then tapping the gear icon, and then toggle off the swipe to access Google app or similar option. Okay, you toggle that off. For Google Pixel, you swipe to the Google Discover panel, then long press and disable it via settings or through the home settings, then display Google app. Okay. Now when you go back to your home screen and you swipe left, nothing happens. Clean, right? Or if you want to turn it on, you do the same. You thought you tap and hold, and then you go and you toggle it on, and it will be there again. So whether you want less distraction or more quick news access, this tiny tweak makes a big difference in how your phone feels. So now let me know in the comments what you prefer: Google Discover or a clean home screen. And don't forget, if you found this useful, hit the like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more smartphone how-tos that work across all devices.